In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your MidJourney credits or remaining usage. This will include understanding how much fast time or GPU time you have left using Discord and MidJourney tools. This is an essential skill for anyone using MidJourney to ensure you're making the most out of your subscription without running into any unexpected limits. To start, you'll need to open Discord. You should use the Discord account that's already set up with MidJourney. It's important to ensure you're in a server or channel where the MidJourney bot is available and can interact with you. If you're not already in a channel with the bot, you may need to add it or move to a different server where it's already in use. Once you're set up in the right environment, you'll be using a simple command to get the information you need. Click into a text input box in any channel where the MidJourney bot is allowed. Here, you'll need to type the command info into the chat and send it. It's really as straightforward as that. When you send the info command, MidJourney will then reply with a comprehensive panel of details. This panel will show you various insights about your account. Some of the main details you'll find include your current subscription type or plan, how much fast time you've used so far, and more importantly, how much of it you have left. Additionally, you'll see the renewal date of your plan, your rank, and other relevant information. But there is another way you can check this information, especially if you prefer using a browser. You can also visit the MidJourney website directly. Once there, navigate to the section labeled Manage Subscription. This section is quite user-friendly. When you open it, look for terms like Usage Details or Fast Time Remaining. Here you should be able to see more detailed information on how many minutes or hours you have left for your fast GPU time. These methods are the most effective way to stay informed about your usage and ensure you're always prepared. Whether you choose to log in through Discord or check directly via the MidJourney website, these options give you a clear view of where you stand with your subscription. So, there you have it. You've now learned how to easily check your MidJourney credits or usage, keeping you ahead of any potential limitations or disruptions. With this knowledge, you can continue creating with MidJourney without any interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.